Imagine a world where 1 in every 3 relationships faces the challenge of infidelity. Shocking, isn't it? But that's the reality we live in today. Infidelity, a silent and often invisible destroyer of relationships. It's a global phenomenon, causing immense pain and leading to broken relationships and shattered lives. Experts tell us that the discovery of an affair can be as traumatic as a life-threatening event. The betrayed partner experiences feelings of disbelief, anger, sadness, and even physical symptoms like sleep problems and loss of appetite. The betrayer, on the other hand, grapples with guilt, shame, and a fear of the repercussions of their actions. But what if there was a way to navigate these treacherous waters? What if there was a path to recovery, a chance to rebuild trust and heal the wounds caused by infidelity? This is where the expertise of professionals comes into play. It might surprise you, but recovery from infidelity is possible. The journey, however, is far from easy. It requires courage, vulnerability, and a commitment to healing from both partners. It starts with the difficult process of disclosure, where the betrayer admits to their infidelity. Disclosure can be a daunting task. The fear of the potential repercussions, coupled with feelings of shame and guilt, can make it an uphill battle. But experts agree, disclosure is a crucial step towards rebuilding trust. It provides a foundation for honesty and openness, paving the way for healing and recovery. But how does one go about this process of disclosure? How can one navigate this rocky path? This is where professional guidance becomes indispensable. A trained counselor can help manage the process of disclosure, ensuring it happens in a controlled and supportive environment. They can help both partners deal with their emotions and guide them towards understanding and empathy. Support systems are another essential component of the recovery journey. Friends, family, and support groups can provide a safe space for expressing emotions and sharing experiences. They can offer comfort, encouragement, and advice, assisting in the healing process. Equally important is self-care. During this challenging time, it's crucial to take care of one's physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Activities like exercise, meditation, and hobbies can help reduce stress and improve mood, promoting overall health and well-being. The journey of recovery from infidelity is a challenging one. It's a path fraught with emotions and obstacles. But remember, it's a journey that doesn't have to be walked alone. Professionals are there to guide the way, to provide support and advice, to help navigate the rocky path towards healing and recovery. If you, or someone you know, are dealing with the aftermath of infidelity, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Remember, it's okay to ask for assistance. It's okay to lean on others for support. You're not alone in this journey. There's help available, and there's a path to recovery. You can rebuild trust, heal the wounds, and move forward towards a healthier, happier relationship.